Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about salts. So let's start. What are salts? So salts are ionic compounds containing a positive ion other than hydrogen or negative ion other than hydroxyl ion. Okay, so these are salt. You know how the salt formation takes place. So when an acid react with base, right? An acid react with base, that generally form salt and water. Okay, so salts are, there is a classification of salts, generally 5 types: normal salt, acidic salt, basic salt, mixed salt or double salt. Let us discuss these salts one by one. So first is normal salt. So what is basically normal salt? Normal salt is that in which it does not contain, you can say it does not contain hydrogen ion or hydroxyl ion, right? A normal salt is one which does not contain any ionizable hydrogen atom or hydroxyl group. So hydrogen atom or hydroxyl group it will not contain. So this will form normal salt. For example, sodium chloride, calcium, potassium chloride, sodium nitrate, potassium sulfate. So as you see, these cannot contain hydrogen atom and also does not having hydroxyl group. So this is a normal salt, right? So let us take another second salt, that is acidic salt. And acidic salt still contains some replaceable hydrogen atom. So जो acidic salts होते हैं उनमें जो कुछ हाइड्रोजन होते हैं that is still replaceable, that will replace. Okay, means they are partially ionized. So sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium hydrogen carbonate are the examples of acidic salts. So what are basic salts? Basic salts are those which still contain some replaceable hydroxyl group, right? So lead nitrate or lead chlorine are the example of basic salts which contains some replaceable hydroxyl groups that can be replaced. So what are mixed salt? As the name is mixed, so it can form one cation or more than one or more cation or anion. So the salt containing more than one cation or anion other than hydrogen or hydroxyl ion, right? तो हाइड्रोजन और हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन को छोड़ के और दूसरे कैटायन और एनायन की जो फॉर्मेशन होती है उसको हम बोलते हैं मिक्स्ड सॉल्ट. जैसे कि कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड, दैट इज ब्लीचिंग पाउडर, इट इज नेम एज ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. So it is calcium oxychloride. So here calcium, oxygen or chlorine, as you see, these three are the cation. So it is forming different cation or anion, right? Calcium positive, oxygen negative, and chlorine is also negative ions. So let us discuss the last salt, which is double salt. So as the name suggests, double means it will form from two simple salts, right? जब दो simple salts को मिला देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? डबल सॉल्ट. सी एग्जाम्पल, पोटाश अलम. पोटाश अलम में क्या हो रहा है? K2SO4 इंटू Al2SO4 थ्राइस इंटू 24H2O. पोटाशियम सल्फेट और एल्यूमिनियम सल्फेट को जब हम मिक्स करेंगे इन अ प्रॉपर मोलर रेशो विद वाटर. ओके, व्हेन वी मिक्स पोटाशियम sulfate or aluminium sulfate in proper molar ratio with water, so it will give us potash alum. So the name of the compound is potash alum. So this is the example of double salt. See, the two salts are mixing here, this or this, with water. Another example is Mohr salt. So FeSO4 NH4 twice, SO4 into 6H2O. So this is the example of Mohr salt where ferrous sulfate or ammonium sulfate. These both are combined with 6 molecule of water to give one compound that is named as Mohr salt. And as like ferric alum, in which potassium sulfate react with potassium sulfate combined with iron sulfate, ferrous sulfate. Iron sulfate with water molecules or with water in the molar ratio, so it will give ferric alum. So these are the salts. So let us discuss about some pH of salts. So we in our previous class we have discussed about the pH. I hope the students, to all the students it is clear. So salt of strong acid, like what is strong acid, students? Strong acids are those which give H plus ion, right, in water. So they are completely ionized in water. So salts of strong acid or strong base. If we are talking about strong acid or strong base, कि जो salts होते हैं उनका जो pH होगा that will be neutral, means that will be equal to 7. if we will talk about, तो जो pH होगा इनका वो क्या होगा, equal to 7, strong acid और strong base का. But salt of strong acid, अगर acid strong है और weak base है, obvious है अगर acid strong है तो weak base है तो कैसा होगा, acidic होगा. और acidic होगा तो जो pH होगा, acidic होगा तो pH क्या होगा, less than 7, right. pH will be less than 7. okay. तो salt of weak acid और weak base में क्या होगा, बेसिक होगा तो जो pH होगा वो क्या होगा, pH will be more than 7. pH will be more than 7, right. So that will be basic. okay. So I hope this is understood by all of you. So now we will start about some salts. So what are they? So the first salt which we will discuss today, that is NaCl. okay, that is NaCl. So it is very common salt, right. Sodium chloride, the name of the salt is sodium chloride, and basic purpose it is used in our food. We used in our food, or where we get it from seawater, rock salts in another countries. So it is also common raw material for many various type of materials like sodium hydroxide, sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, or calcium oxychloride. So it is also raw material for all these preparation of all the salts. Let us talk all these salts one by one. So the very first is sodium hydroxide. So how it is prepared, see. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine, see, this is an aqueous solution, okay, of sodium chloride. So this aqueous solution is known as brine. This aqueous solution is known as brine. You can say it is brine, and it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. So when brine react with water, so what it will form? It will form sodium hydroxide in aqueous form, okay, and it will give chlorine or hydrogen gas. It will give chlorine or hydrogen gas. See, electricity is passed in this process, right. So it will takes place in the presence of electricity, means electrolysis हो रहा है यहाँ पे, right. Electrolysis will be there. You can write here electrolysis is taking place here, or electrolysis is taking place here, or electricity is passed through this. So this is the preparation, how sodium hydroxide is prepared when NaCl, the form of aqueous is react with water, electricity is passed through the solution, and after that it will form sodium hydroxide, and chlorine or hydrogen gas will then separately just collected to the cathode or anode, right? So I hope this is clear. So let's see the uses of sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is generally using in petroleum refining, purification of bauxite for artificial silk, right? So you have to learn the uses where these salts are used. So it is also used in soap, detergents, paper, sodium chlorate. So these are the areas where it is used. It is also used for degreasing metals. So let us discuss about another salt, that is baking powder. You have seen your mother is generally used baking powder or baking soda in kitchen, right? So we will discuss all about baking soda or baking powder in this chapter. So this is baking soda. So what is the chemical name of baking soda? That is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is chemical name of baking soda. It is generally used in households for baking purposes. It is used. So see how we prepare baking soda. So a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride. See, I have told you that from sodium chloride we have make all the salts, because sodium chloride is proved as a raw material for all the salts. So we are using sodium chloride. So a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride is reacted with ammonia. When we react sodium chloride with ammonia, water or carbon dioxide, okay, so what it will give? It will give baking soda. When NaCl, sodium chloride, ammonia, water or CO2 react, that it will form sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda. And what will be the other product? That will be ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride will be the other product. So where it is used for making baking powder, which is mixture for baking soda or a mild edible acids, we use दिस, राइट. बेकिंग सोडा हम बेकिंग पाउडर बनाने के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. तो उसको हम कैसे फॉर्मेशन कर सकते हैं? फॉर मेकिंग बेकिंग पाउडर विच इज़ मिक्सचर ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा. तो जो बेकिंग पाउडर होता है वो किसका मिक्सचर होता है? इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा और अ माइल्ड एडिबल एसिड. एक एसिड होता है, जैसे कि टार्टारिक एसिड ले लिया, या फिर बेकिंग सोडा और टार्टारिक एसिड, या फिर कोई भी दूसरा एडिबल एसिड को जब हम मिक्स करते हैं तो दैट विल फॉर्म बेकिंग पाउडर. सो बेकिंग पाउडर इज हीटेड और मिक्सड इन वाटर, द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन विल टेक्स प्लेस. जैसे बेकिंग पाउडर है, ठीक है. बेकिंग पाउडर को अगर हम किसी भी वाटर के साथ मिक्स करते हैं या फिर हीट करते हैं तो क्या होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन गैस क्या होती है? रिमूव होती है. सो उससे क्या होता है? जब भी हम बेकिंग पाउडर यूज़ करते हैं तो जो CO2 प्रोड्यूस हो रही है रिएक्शन में, उससे क्या होगा? जो ब्रेड और केक होते हैं हमारे क्या बनेंगे? स्पॉन्जी. सो दैट्स द रीज़न वी यूज़ बेकिंग पाउडर टू मेक bread or to make cakes, right? It makes cakes or breads spongy and soft. So I hope this is clear. So where else it is used? It is used as ingredients in antacids. जो एंटासिड्स टैबलेट्स होती हैं वहाँ पे भी यूज़ होता है, ठीक है. जो बेकिंग सोडा है, एंटासिड टैबलेट्स में भी हम उसको यूज़ करते हैं टू रिलीव पेन और टू रिलीव फ्रॉम एसिडिटी, राइट. सो यूज इन सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स में भी हम इसका क्या यूज़ करते हैं. सो दीज आर. So today we have completed our 2 salts and 3 salts are also remaining. so that we will study in our next class.